I don't do goodbyes. Not really. I leave before they happen. That's just how I've always been. Fun? Sure. Deep talks? Not my thing. Rules? Nah. I lived fast. I didn't think much. Things got serious, I disappeared. Just like that. Gone. Like a ghost. But then there was Mia. She called me out. She saw past the jokes. Called me her sunshine. Crazy, right? Me? Sunshine? She made coffee in the mornings. Always left a note.
Silly ones. Don't forget your keys, sunshine. Smile today. It used to make me roll my eyes, but I kept the notes. I wasn't good to her. Didn't listen, didn't show up, didn't give her what she needed, because that would have meant being real. When she left, I didn't chase her. I just watched. That's what ghosts do, right? Disappear. After her, I tried dating again. A girl from yoga. Didn't last. Someone from a bar. Didn't text back. Nice girls. But it was always the same. Fun, then gone. None of them left notes. None of them called me sunshine. One day I saw her. Not close. Far away. She was with a guy. Holding his hand. She looked happy. Real happy. Like peaceful. And next to her was him. Leo. He had that gentle look. Like he saw her and stayed. I never did that. Not really. I wanted to say something. Apologize, maybe. But I didn't. She didn't need my ghosts anymore. So I wrote instead. A letter I never sent. Sorry, Mia. I see it now. I met Lily a few weeks later. She laughed at my dumb jokes, didn't ask too much, didn't rush anything. With her, it's quiet, comfortable. No big promises, just small moments. I still have her notes. I don't read them often, but I don't throw them away either. They remind me I was loved, and I lost it. I don't want to disappear again. Not this time. Lily deserves more than a ghost. And maybe I do too. I'm not there yet, but I'm trying. This time, I want to stay.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.